Hello, hello. Today we will start our new chapter in class 11th, that is units and measurements. That is very important chapter. ये बहुत important chapter है. That is in the case of physics, because in physics we measure the quantities. फिजिक्स में हम क्वांटिटीज़ को मेजरमेंट करते हैं. फॉर दिस वी हैव टू रिक्वायर देयर यूनिट्स एंड देयर मेजरमेंट्स. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ मेजरमेंट? मेजरमेंट का मतलब क्या होता है? मेजरमेंट measurement is the process of comparison to a certain amount which is chosen, certain amount or certain standard which is chosen. For this we have to compare. For this, for example, we have to measure the length of a certain body. Then we take a, that is a standard, and we take how much time that is compare for this. Then that is the called measurement, and that standard is called units. उस जो हमने स्टैंडर्ड मान रखा है उसको हम यूनिट्स कहते हैं. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ फिजिकल क्वांटिटी? फिजिकल क्वांटिटी फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज मीन्स होते हैं दैट क्वांटिटीज विच कैन बी मेजर्ड in the terms of length, in the terms of mass, in the terms of time, in the terms of density. That is called physical quantity. Those quantities which is measured in terms of unit is called physical quantity. Quantities like mass, speed, density. These are the physical quantities which can be measured. But will means इच्छा. will is not a physical quantity because will cannot be measured. will को हम measure नहीं कर सकते. will cannot be measured. That is why that is not a physical quantity. Now physical quantity are of two types. Physical quantities इनको दो भागों में बांटा गया है. There are two types. Number one, fundamental quantities or basic quantities. And another one is derived quantities. Derived quantities. So first of all, we will discuss fundamental quantities. Fundamental quantities. Fundamental quantities. Fundamental quantities, those physical quantities which does not depends on other quantities, they are known as fundamental quantities. मतलब वो क्वांटिटी, वो फिजिकल क्वांटिटी जो दूसरे पर डिपेंड नहीं करती, टोटली दे आर इंडिपेंडेंट, स्वतंत्र होती है, उनको हम कहते हैं फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज और बेसिक क्वांटिटीज. दोज फिजिकल quantities which do not depends on other quantities. are known as fundamental mental quantities. Like, for example, mass, length, time, current, temperature, etc. These are known as fundamental quantities. Now come to the derived quantities. Just opposite of that, those physical quantity which depends on other quantities, they are known as derived quantities. The physical quantity which depends those physical quantities which depend on other physical quantities are known as derived quantities. There are many, infinitely, uncounted. They are physical quantity. While in the case of fundamental quantity, only 7. ये केवल 7 होते हैं. Only 7. They are unlimited. Like speed, density, volume, etc. They are derived quantity because speed depends. Speed is equal to what? Speed is equal to distance traveled upon time. Distance traveled means length upon time. A length is a physical quantity. Time is a physical quantity. Therefore, speed depends on two quantities, length and time. Similarly, volume depends on the length. Density depends on the mass and length. That is why they are called derived quantities. Similarly, now come to the units. Units भी दो प्रकार की होती हैं. There are two types of units. Number one, fundamental units, and another one is derived units. जैसे हमने फिजिकल क्वांटिटी और derived को पढ़ा था, इसी तरह से इसको भी पढ़ाएंगे. यूनिट्स फंडामेंटल यूनिट्स और बेसिक यूनिट्स और another one is derived units. Fundamental units are those units which do not depend on others. They are totally independent. They are known as fundamental units. Those units which do not depends on other units are called fundamental units. These are 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Length, its unit is meter. Mass, its unit is kg. Time, its unit is second. Temperature, its unit is Kelvin. Current, electric current, its unit is ampere. Luminous intensity its unit is candela. And seventh one is amount of substance. Its unit is mole. बेसिकली फिजिक्स में इन 5 का उपयोग होता है. ये रेयरली उपयोग होती है, ये केमिस्ट्री में यूज होती है. ये जो होती हैं ओनली 5 fundamental units are commonly used while other are rarely used in the physics. In the case of derived units, those units which depends on other units, those units which depends on other units are called derived units. Like unit of speed, meter per second, is unit of acceleration, meter per second square, unit of force, kg meter per second square. So they depends on other units, that is why they are called derived units. And fundamental units are only 7, while derived units are derived units बहुत सारी होती हैं, uncountable. तो in this way we will study about the physical quantities. हमने physical quantities के बारे में पढ़ा, physical quantities कितने तरह की होती हैं उनके बारे में पढ़ा, यूनिट्स के बारे में पढ़ा. अब हम आगे कल आपको कैरी फॉरवर्ड इसको आगे बताएंगे, वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्लास रहेगी. फिजिक्स में एक चीज़ क्लियर समझ लीजिए, आप रेगुलरली पढ़ते रहेंगे, फिजिक्स बहुत इजी सब्जेक्ट रहेगा, अदरवाइज़ बहुत टफ भी रहता है. इसमें सबसे अच्छे नंबर भी आते हैं और सबसे ख़राब भी नंबर आते हैं. तो प्लीज़ आप थोड़ा सा सीरियसली पढ़िए तो आपको फिजिक्स अच्छा लगेगा. धन्यवाद.